Morning on the fourth day.
It was very interesting. Like some of you have discovered while reading what those people have done for us. Yeah, just read a beautiful story about Yorokuk village to what happened. Some died there, some recovered a little strength and moved on at the
What do you mean glowing? You mean the...
Yeah, like just before I went to sleep, fluorescent. Threw my mind about. Who knows? Yeah. My issue is I don't have enough time, that's why.
Yeah.
Stick with us, you'll have plenty of time.
Huh?
I said stick with us, you'll have plenty of time.
Yeah, we'll do that later on the way down.
Yeah.
They said no more water for 2.5 hours, so I had to fill up and carry it up this slope. There was no choice. Yeah, get your toes, bare feet.
Yeah. Is this the top of, this is not the top, is it? Mount Bellamy? Or? It is.
Is this the top? That's what I thought. Back where we were, that was Mount Bellamy. Yeah. Back where we were last time was Mount Bellamy, and now we're going down to Kokoda Gap.
Right. Comments, Michael?
They'd actually said earlier today.
Not in the forest. Wait here.
So you're not following this? I'm not using
Bare feet, so
Day 5, how are we feeling?
I feel pretty good. I think these photos are going to be very complimentary.
They're very complimentary.
I don't think so.
Here we are packing up. Hilton's. Hopefully had a better night. There's Don, Franklin. Not sure everyone slept last night who are non-snorers.
Yeshua Rana